that there's so much rich history and legacy right here at the Educational Cultural Complex campus. And so to be able to be a part of the very first project within the bond, it feels great. The fact that we're now all here in celebration with a groundbreaking ceremony, it feels like we can see the light at the end of the tunnel.
San Diego Community College District is so grateful to Senate Pro Tem Emerita Toni Atkins for her historic investment in helping us to revitalize the theater at ECC, and to the voters of San Diego who last November passed Measure HH, a tremendous bond program that's going to transform our institutions and uplift our mission to serve our communities. There's no better way to start Measure HH than with the renewal and revitalization of the historic theater at the Educational Cultural Complex.
When I entered into the theater and I saw a performance for the very first time, I was learning about culture, I was learning about community, I was learning about language, I was learning about everything. And that moment was so important to me. I was discovering a new world.
This type of investment for Southeastern San Diego is what we continue to fight for, and we will honor it, we will uplift it, and we will not forget our community and our history.
County board supervisors are here to support us. Elected officials have been here, representatives for Juan Vargas's office and other offices. So it feels so good to know that so many people are awaiting this reawakening of the Educational Cultural Complex Theater. So I'm very excited about that, and most importantly that we have the support of the community and the district and others to be a part of this history as well. We also know that this is going to be transformational for this community. We have a little bit more ways to go, but we're very close to seeing this new theater be open and that the community gets a chance to experience this, and most of all, our students.